Hello, Candinors. Currently, we are open for Latinos seafarers to join on board as a fitter in our bulk carrier, container, and general cargo vessels. This is huge vessels with more than 30,000 gross ton. You will get a salary 2,300 US dollar per month with a contract 4 months until 5 months contract. If you are available to join with us and you have experiences on as a fitter in bulk carrier, container, general cargo, or maybe tanker with more than 20,000 gross ton, you can apply for these vacancies using link database, and we will share to you the link database in this video description. You can find it in this below video, and please you can put all requirement that needed like sea service certificate and also detail of your profile. You can put it all so we can check it and directly to contact you by WhatsApp or by email. Okay, just please like, subscribe, and share this video to your friend that needed these vacancies. Bye bye.